if you're ever looking for somebody who can do everything, just imagine you were at one point the Minister of Public Enterprises. Before you get this job under control, you are the Minister of Transport. The next thing you do, you're the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development. In between, you're the acting health minister. And then the president leaves the country and you are the acting president. I don't know of somebody who has done more. The one moment you are trying to give us a new constitution, the next moment you're campaigning for Arrive Alive. This is somebody who has covered all of his bases.
Thank you, Professor, for those kind words of introduction. All protocol observed. Allow me to express profound delight at this opportunity to have this conversation with you on the very important theme of access to justice. As the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, access to justice remains our utmost priority, more so given the many challenges that our people continue to experience in this particular regard. Therefore, there was no better occasion than this October month to engage each other on the aspects of access to justice. The important point is that our courts must not only be accessible to all our people, but also that the entire litigation process must also be affordable to all. Hence, we continue to support the Legal Aid South Africa as well as the Small Claims Court, where services are rendered free of charge, mahala. We must work to rid our courts of the feeling to which Chief Justice Mogoeng cautioned us against, who in turn was in fact quoting our former president, our icon Mandela, during his 1962 trial. I quote, "I feel like a black man in a white man's coat." This feeling, too, must indeed be a thing of the past in our courts, inasmuch as you too have triumphed over the Ritz residence incident and thus put the skirmish into the past. Our courts must reflect both the race and gender demographics of South African society, and so must the university communities in their various capacities as a microcosm of the society that we seek to build. As I conclude, we cannot speak of justice without speaking about the legacy of our history. And we cannot speak about overcoming that legacy without speaking about the inspiration that we must derive from our Constitution as the broad vision of the society that we seek to build. As a country, we have come a long way since the days of apartheid. In spite of all the outstanding challenges, we can nonetheless boldly make the assertion that South Africa is today a better place than it was in 1994, and that tomorrow it holds the promise that it will be better than today. Ke a leboha.